Hello everyone, this is going to be part 2 to my tag tutorial video. This was a request, and so I wanted to kind of finish it off a little bit more than I did. I'm going to add my sentiment, and then I'm going to add tulle or twine to the top of my tag. So this stamp that I'm going to use is from the Queen & Company Bring It On Spring, or Bring On Spring. And I'm going to use the Happy Easter right here. I'm going to move the tags over for a minute here, and I'm going to use the Tim Holtz stamp platform. This is the large one, so I'm going to add this down. It says Happy Easter. And I'm going to use the Stampin' Up! Ink pad. It's called a Regal Rose. And I don't think this one is available anymore, but I can link something similar to this color. So I'm just going to ink this up. And then I'm going to stamp here. See how that did? I'm going to ink it up one more time. It's kind of hard to do this on an angle where I'm sitting, so I apologize. Okay, so there's that one. Sorry about the inky fingers. And it's a little, there we go. And then let's see, I was going to try and do it where the happy is up here and then the Easter, but I think I'm just going to go ahead with the banner and do the banner on both of them. Would have been cute to hang a little tag from there, but since I could cut the stamp, you know, but I don't really want to. So it will let me make sure that it goes not even close. So let's line that up. That is good enough for me. Okay. So again, I'm just going to ink up my stamp. And push it down. I like to ink at least twice when I stamp. Okay, that looks good to me. So I'm gonna, and then I'm just going to take it off my little platform here and stamped Happy Easter. I'll clean that off later. So let's see here. I can still maybe hang it, but it might kind of cover up too much. Okay. I have a bunch of die cuts here. I don't think I want, like, I thought this would be cute. Something like this too, but it's kind of big. I mean, I would probably do it because I like things like that, but it kind of covers up the stem a little bit. So I'm probably just going to, like, that would be even cute for, you know, a different a different video, of course, not with this one. And I don't have any purple. I don't have any cut out in pink because I could like offset it a little bit and kind of give it like a shadow when you place it on like so. So there's a few things I could do, but I don't have the correct color. So I'm just going to, let's see, I'm going to pop it up a little bit. I think that would give it, sorry, that's my dog. What are you doing over there? Okay. Let's see. I'm just going to cut. And these are just foam pieces that I'm using from my Bring On Spring kit. So I'm just going to pop these up with those. Give it some dimension here. Sorry, I think she's trying to find her toy. She's been really restless lately and she just wants to play. And then I'm just going to take off the back. Did you find your toy yet? Okay. So I'm just going to pop that right about there. So there's that. And I'll leave links to everything that I use in this video as well. And then in this one, I'm trying to decide if I should do one on the top or keep them both on the bottom. And again, I want to use my, to pop it up a little bit. So I'll probably do that. That one doesn't have any adhesive. Sorry. No, we'll just do this real quick here. And you're not going to see these really, so you don't, doesn't matter if they're, you know, not perfect on the back. So probably just do these one on the bottom as well. Just like so. So two that say Happy Easter. I could even add like a little heart. Do you think it needs a heart? I don't think I have a pink heart in this little kit. You could even add a flower. That would be cute on the ends, like a little flower. I don't think I have another flower. Maybe we'll do the flower. And then I'll use the sequins I picked up from Cartwright Sequins. Let me show you here. I have all different colors in here and sizes. There's some big ones there. All different sizes, and the pink colors, you know, are a little bit different. So some are more iridescent than others. So that's from Cartwright Sequins, and I did this haul like 2-3 years ago, I think. But that's my sequins. So let's go ahead and add this flower. And then we're going to add a little sequin on top of that. I think that would be kind of fun. Oops. And then let's see here. Let's do, this color is called Chantilly. So really pretty. I'll just add a little sequin in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Cropadile tool here, and we're just going to put a hole down here a little bit. Sorry if I was kind of off frame a little bit there. Let's see, just maybe right there. And then I'm going to do the same over here. Right there. This is my Cropadile. It's a little dirty. I've had it for a long time, and my husband and kids have also used it a few times. So let's see. I think I'm going to use, this is some sparkly tulle that I picked up from Michael's. Isn't that pretty? And then the other one I'll use this twine. And this twine I picked up from Tuesday Morning. So now we got sparkly bits everywhere. So let's see. I'm just going to kind of use that much. Excuse me. And I'm just going to put it through up here, like so. Then I'm going to thread these back through like that, and just kind of give it a gentle pull, maybe. Maybe it's the glitter bits that doesn't like that idea too much. Oop, and then I ripped it. You know what? That is okay. Because what I'm going to do instead is I'll use my hot glue gun and I'll stick that right there. And you won't even know that anything happened. So hot glue, I'll enforce it with hot glue later. But for the sake of this video, we're going to finish the tag. Just did a little knot. And I'll probably do another knot. Once I get the hot glue on there, I'll do another knot, and then it'll just kind of set like that once it's done. I hope that makes sense. So there's that one. Happy Easter. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of this twine. Put that through again, and I won't pull as hard. You know, sometimes things like that happen and you just work with it. You make it work. So there we go. That is my finished tag. And once I turn my hot glue gun on, that will be a finished tag as well. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, crafty wishes. Bye.